Good afternoon. Today we are going to see next practical of web technology laboratory. That is practical number 10. Let us see what is it. So this will be the last practical of our web technology laboratory. It contains the design, develop and deploy separate web application using UJV, CMS, JSF, Spring or Bootstrap. So we are going to implement or design and develop one application for the content management system. So, what is basically content management system is that is CMS. CMS can be defined as a tool or the software program containing a set of interrelated programs used for the creating and managing different digital online contents. So, for the example, the different contents digital or online contents, that is we can say that the blogs are there, and we can also upload, or we can also upload the multimedia contents like the photos, videos, audios, maps, and any source code we can share on our website. So that will be the content. That means pure blogs, we can say that blogs are there. So the advantage of this content management system is like most of the CMS is open source and it is available for the free. Easy and quick uploading of media files can be done. Then easy customization is possible. Then it can be modify CSS files, that is cascaded styles. We can change our style of our web pages as per the need of user, and many templates and plugins are available for free. Online templates are available for the CMS. So CMS, some famous, or we can say that some famous examples, or we can say that the some tools or softwares which are used for the CMS, as Joomla is there, Drupal is there, Typo 3 is there, and one WordPress is there. So we are going to develop and design one application by using the WordPress. Okay. So the WordPress, what is basically WordPress? WordPress, if you see on the official website of the WordPress, that is wordpress.org. Okay. So you can get all the things, that is the plugins will be available here. Themes are also available here. Hosting is also available here. So some basic examples here shown, that is if I want to show my content, that is if I want to show my photography, we can use the WordPress also. Okay. So and it is handled, the contents of the WordPress will be handled on the desktop also, and mobiles also. The web page will directly customized, automatically customized as per the resolution of the screen. Okay. Okay. So advantages of the WordPress is again free and open source platform. Design themes customized is straightforward. It allows to manage users with different roles and permissions. WordPress media management is quick and very easy. So let us start with the WordPress. Our designing our WordPress, uh, sorry, our designing the website by using the WordPress. Okay. So how to install and create the WordPress? We will see here. The WordPress is basically designed in PHP language. Yeah, PHP language. So we have to install either XAMPP server, that is XAMPP, for the bunch of softwares which comes with the PHP, MySQL, Apache is there, Apache server is there. Okay. Or either we can use a separate softwares, or we can install the separate softwares, that is Apache, PHP, and MySQL separately. So the installation we have seen in practical number 6, that is where we have created one web application by using the PHP and MySQL. So we have seen the installation of MySQL, PHP, and Apache in that practical. Already we have seen it. Okay. So after the installation of this Apache server, PHP, and MySQL, we have to download the content management system of the WordPress. That we have to download it, and we are going to customize it of by of our need, by using our needs. Okay. So just to take this, get WordPress. Okay. Download it, the latest version of the WordPress. Download it. Okay. And uncompress it into the at any location. Okay. So after extracting, so I have already downloaded the WordPress zip file here. Okay. And also I have given this WordPress on our drive also. So WordPress 5.4.0, this is the latest version of WordPress. I have given it in our uh, drive also. So after downloading it, just extract it at any folder. For the example, suppose I have extracted here. So copy this folder as it is. Okay, copy this folder as it is and go to the Apache server. So our location is Apache. For the Apache server, our location is Apache 20 C drive, Apache 24, htdocs, and in this we are going to paste it. So all the things, all the databases, all the things are available in this folder. We just need to customize it. So is copying it. After this copying, just create one database in our MySQL. So I have created my web application as WordPress. For the example, WordPress is there. So go to the command prompt, open MySQL terminal, and create one database, that is by using create database. And for the simplicity, I am going to use the uh, same name of the our web website for the database also. So my website is WordPress. So my database will be the WordPress. Okay, just create it. After installing the WordPress, the tables will be directly added in this WordPress database. Okay. So it is going to copy, copy. So if you see the structure of the WordPress folder, all the files are written in PHP. All the files are written in PHP. Also, there is another software is there. Joomla. Joomla is also written in PHP language. So we need either a XAMPP server, or we can install Apache Tomcat, Apache PHP and MySQL separately. So all the files are copied here. So go to our, we are going to our local host. Local host, the Apache runs on the local host, and name of our website or web application, that is WordPress. Just press it, enter it. So installation will be starts here. See, the WordPress WP admin setup config is going to start. So select your language. I have selected here English United States, and press on the execute button. So database name, by default they have used a WordPress, that is WordPress is our uh, website name. So by default has been given here. Username, the username of our MySQL is root, and password also what you have seen in there, that is I have used root also. So root and submit it. So we are going to installing our WordPress. So site title, so I will write here CMS. Okay. So username for this site, that means if I want to change all the things, that means I will be the owner of this site. So to change the theme, all the things I need username. So I have created here one username, that is spzada@123, and password also, suppose sp@123. So if the password is weak, confirm this, use weak password as it is, and we are going to use here email address, that is spg@gmail.com, and we are going to install this. So this is our final step, that is final step of installation, that is gives we can give the name for our site. Then we are going to use our username, we are going to use our password, uh, personal email address, then go to the login. So, so SPAPUPID and password is also, so I have given the username as SPSADA, and password is also. So this is our dashboard. We can customize our site from this. So I can post here, post the medias also, pages also. I can comment So all these things will be here. So customizing my website will be, so this will be the my first web page on my uh, website. So where we will be customize this, just go to the change, write your first blog post. Okay, so I can write down here. Suppose I want to write something about CMS. So search for what is content content management system. Right. So I am going to, okay, so I'm going to use this blog as my blog also. So I am going to add this title, that is uh, what is CMS, right? What is CMS? Just copy and paste some text. So I have copied this. I don't want to update it like this. Okay. So I have copied some post or blog here. What is content management system? Right. So we are going to publish this. So my post or blog is published here. Right. So I can customize my first page on the WordPress. Sorry. So customizing, you can use here users also. So I will be the manager admin. So I can give manage manage the users also here. So site identity, site title is CMS. Okay. Tagline will be just another WordPress site. So I am going to here use the first CMS site. Then well, we use here colors also, customization color. Okay. So the home page setting is also here. So home page setting, my latest post will be published as it is, or if you want to create any simple page or sample page, we can add here. So instead of it, we are going to use our just created post here. Okay. So after this, Okay, so we are going to publish it. So our site is published on localhost. Okay, so we can change our, here we can add additional css also here. We can design here also. Okay. We can add the about page, anything you can create here. Okay, manage our white gates, manage our menus. So after publishing it, published our website or web page, we can go to the, just go to the localhost WordPress and press enter. So see this, we have created one blog here, what is the content management system, and page. So this is what our first page will be there. So by using this WordPress, we can create our blogs or content management system. So I can search here also. So it will be searched in our blog or our website, whole website also. Okay. So this is our tagline we have created here, CMS. Right. So I can comment here also. So anything comment. I can write down the comment here like really. I can say that good information about CMS. Okay. So I can write down here. So ABC website. Don't want to say my name. Post comment here. So as like the blogs, we can add our blogs also. We can post the comments also here. So this is a simple way to publish our CMS website based on the CMS, that is content management system. Hope this is really practice it on your machine. Okay. So thank you.